Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwadunsi. So on this video I'll be showing you how I coil the end of this hair. It's a short hair. I used two colors for the hair. So if it's something you're interested in, watch this video to the end. So the first thing I did was to comb out the hair, the part that I want to coil, so that there won't be a problem after coiling it, or it won't get rough after coiling it. So you have to comb the end, the part that you want to coil, so that even after unraveling the hair from the spiral coils, it won't get rough. So you can choose to pick two strands of hair and coil it at the same time, or you pick one strand. So in this video I picked one strand of hair at the beginning. So it was when I was almost done with the coiling, then I noticed that my hair, like I had three, I think five extra hair, and my spiral coils was remaining too. So at the end I had to just I had to put two strands of hair together and coil it, instead of just doing another instead of waiting to for the other ones to get dry before I do that one. So I just, since it was not many, I had to just double the hair, then coil. So if you want to double the hair, you can, and if you don't want to double the hair, you can also do that. So for this particular hair, I used spiral coils. I used spiral coils to achieve my coils. You can also use I've forgotten the other name. You can use any other coils, like any other coiler to achieve your coils. I have different videos. I have some videos on this channel where I used different coils to achieve where I use different coiling tools, or what do I call it, to achieve different coils. So you can just try and check out those videos. I actually love using this particular coiler because it already has the pattern. So you just have to coil your hair and follow the pattern on the coiler. And we have different sizes of this coiler: the small size, the medium size, and the big size. So this particular one is the small size. So this is how you are going to coil the hair from the beginning to the end. It is very easy to do, and it is very easy to achieve if you follow this process that I am doing currently on this video. So you notice that I coiled some hair at the back. I did that because the spiral coils I have, they were not they were the hair was the strands of hair, they were more than the number of spiral coils that I have, so I had to just do them in two batches. So if you have not liked this video yet, you've not dropped a comment, I really need you to drop a comment on this video to hear your thoughts about this video. So after wrapping the oil with the coiler, so I used hot water on that part so that we will be able to achieve that coils that I intended to do. So then after that, you dry with you dry it with your towel and allow it to dry before removing the air from the coiler. So before we continue, I want to apologize for the background noise. Seriously, I don't know how I can just do it, and I could not help it. So just help me manage this my voice note, and the most important thing is to get the message I'm trying to pass across. Thank you. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, help me like this video, comment on this video, and share this video to someone who might be interested in this kind of video. Thank you for supporting me from day one to this present time. I really appreciate each and every one of us, and let's continue to grow this channel together. So one thing I want you guys to understand is that the kind of coils that you want to achieve for your hair, or depend for your hair, depends on the type of coiler that you use to coil the hair. So if you are using this particular coiler, it's different from using, let me use stick for an example. It's different from using stick, or it's different from it's different from using stick to coil your hair, or is and it's also different from using thread to coil your hair. So if you use thread, the coils that you are going to achieve will be different from when you use the spiral coils. So that is what I want you guys to understand. So I allowed the air to dry with the spiral coils. Then after some minutes, I took the air out. Then I added mousse to the air. I added mousse, and voila, that is it. It is very, very easy to do. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.